Aloha friends, Shane Breeden here with the Heart team of Keller Williams Honolulu, and today I'm thrilled to show you our newest listing at 723 Kahoa Drive in the highly sought after neighborhood of Coconut Grove in Kailua. This property offers a spacious flat lot over 7,900 square feet. It's uniquely situated along the Manawili Stream and near the Kawainui Marsh Trail. With no back neighbors, you'll enjoy unobstructed views of the majestic Koʻolau Mountains, often framed by cascading waterfalls and colorful rainbows. If you value peace and tranquility, it doesn't get much better than this. This two-story home offers over 2,000 square feet of interior footage. It's got 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, this incredible oversized 2-car garage, perfect for storing your beach gear and protecting your cars. What's really unique is the 2 separate entrances, making it perfect for multi-generational or investor use. Let me show you around. Stepping inside the home, you're greeted by this large open room where the living area, dining area, and kitchen seamlessly flow together. Check out these fresh white shaker cabinets, this incredible marble countertop, beautiful backsplash with gold inlay, and check out this cool floating shelf and TV wall with this wood accent. Let me show you more of the lower floor. Down this hallway, you have a full guest bathroom, perfect for entertaining, and you have this spacious primary suite with its own bathroom and these incredible Koʻolau Mountain views. Picture yourself starting the day with your morning cup of coffee or unwinding at the end of the night. Pure relaxation awaits. Now let's head upstairs. You can take the interior staircase or the exterior one. Follow me. The upper level includes an additional 4 bedrooms, full bathroom, and check this out, a wet bar. So this is its own unit. It's got the brand new white shaker cabinets, marble countertops, the backsplash that we love, stainless appliances, and here's the unique feature about the property, the separate entrance. So if you wanted tenants or mom and dad, they have their own unit. The property is zoned R5. It's a 7,900 square foot lot, so there's future potential to expand or CPR. I could go on and on about this remarkable property, but to see it in person is a must. If you want to learn more or schedule a showing, give us a call and let's make this your forever home. Mahalo.